As you can see, there is a big pond here, and there are so many trees around the pond. And there, in that side, there is a bridge, and I am standing on the road next to the pond. There was a time when we used to swim and have so much fun, but now people no longer take bath uh, in ponds like before, because most of the ponds are now used for fish farming. That's why the water has become dirty and full of waste. For this reason, we cannot swim and take bath in this pond anymore. It's very sad. Our childhood's memories are slowly disappearing with time.